Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the app you want in split screen and then access Recent Apps. This places the app in a state the system can split. Once there, tap the app icon in the Recent view and choose Split Screen, or press and drag the app window to the top area. You do this because Android needs one app committed before adding the second, so initiating from Recent ensures the OS reserves the top pane immediately. After the first app is pinned to the top, the bottom pane shows Recent Apps. You pick the second app from that list or go to Home to launch it. Once you tap the second app, it fills the lower half automatically. This is why you should avoid full screen-only apps that block split mode. Make sure to press and hold or use the Recent button if the phone's gestures behave differently, and adjust which app is active using the dividing handle. To finish, adjust the divider between apps by dragging to resize. This lets you prioritize one app for input. If you need the opposite arrangement, tap the divider's swap icon or exit split by dragging the divider fully to the top or bottom. If split screen fails, make sure both apps support multi-window, update system apps, or restart your phone. These fixes resolve common permission or memory issues and get the split screen feature working again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.